You wake up, stomach growling, and head straight to McDonald's. Big Mac for breakfast, fries for lunch, McFlurry to seal the night. Sounds like a cheat day fantasy, right? But what if you ate only McDonald's every meal, every day for months? Is it a fast food paradise or a one-way ticket to feeling like garbage? Let's dive into the wild, greasy world of life, where we will eat only fast food every day. Believe it or not, some people have already tested this on themselves. First up, meet Morgan Spurlock, the guy who made Super Size Me in 2004. He went hardcore, 30 days, 3 McDonald's meals a day. He started at 185 pounds, ended at 210. His cholesterol skyrocketed from 168 to 230. His liver? Doc said it looked like an alcoholic's after a month-long binge. Morgan's mood tanked too, headaches, grumpiness, even his sex drive vanished. By week 3, doctors were like, dude, stop, your heart's freaking out. But he kept going. But it's not always such a sad ending. Take Kevin Maginnis, a 5'7" from Nashville in 2023. He ate only McDonald's for 100 days, but with a twist. Half portions only. Half a McMuffin for breakfast, half a burger for lunch, water instead of soda. And guess what the result is? Dropped 58 pounds, cholesterol improved, blood sugar chilled out. He posted it on TikTok joking about his McDiet. Haters said it's just portion control, but it worked. Shows you can game the system, but if you're scarfing full meals, hello weight gain. Why's this happen? A Big Mac's 590 calories, mostly fats and carbs. Your body loves quick sugar hits, but too much spikes insulin, your blood sugar's boss. Excess insulin stores fat, not burns it. Fries? 350 milligrams sodium per medium. That's your blood pressure climbing, heart working overtime. Ever feel puffy after a burger? That's salt making you hold water like a sponge. What's the early damage? Your gut takes a hit. McDonald's lacks fiber. Your gut bacteria's food. Good bugs die, bad ones party. And suddenly you're battling constipation, or worse. In a bit, we'll talk about what happens to you after a month or even a year of eating like this. But first, let's figure out what's actually so bad about it. I mean, a burger's got meat, lettuce, a bun. Fries are just potatoes, right? There's even a slice of tomato in there sometimes. So why is it so bad for you? Let's break down what's really in that iconic Big Mac, those crispy fries, and a classic soda to see why this stuff isn't the wholesome meal it pretends to be. Start with the Big Mac McDonald's poster child. It's got 2 beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions, and a sesame seed bun. Sounds balanced, right? Meat for protein, veggies for vitamins, bun for carbs. But dig into the numbers. A single Big Mac clocks in at 590 calories, with 34 grams of fat, 11 grams saturated. Half your daily limit. The protein's decent at 25 grams, but the carbs hit 46 grams, with only 3 grams of fiber, barely enough to keep your gut happy. Then there's sodium, 1,050 milligrams, nearly half your daily max. That's a lot for one sandwich. The special sauce? It's basically mayo with sugar and preservatives, adding empty calories. Those lettuce and tomato bits are there, but they're a tiny fraction, less than 10% of the burger's weight. Now, those golden fries, everybody's weakness. A medium serving's 320 calories, 15 grams of fat, and 230 milligrams of sodium. Potatoes sound healthy, but these are deep fried in vegetable oil, stripped of most nutrients. The fiber's gone, only 4 grams, and the frying process adds trans fats. Yep, the stuff doctors warn about for clogging arteries. And don't forget the soda. Honestly, there's not much to say, it's just sugar, nearly 80 grams in a large Coke. No protein, no fiber, no vitamins. Just a sweet liquid bomb that spikes your blood sugar and makes you hungry again an hour later. Even the healthy options aren't saving you. A McDonald's salad might sound good, but the dressings like that creamy ranch can pack 200 calories and 20 grams of fat. The grilled chicken? Better, but still loaded with sodium to keep it tasty. It's like the burger joint's playing a trick. Looks like food, tastes amazing, but your body's not getting what it needs. Let's break down what happens to your body if you live on McDonald's every day. 1 week in. It's only been 7 days, but you already feel off. You wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. At work, it's harder to focus. Your brain feels like it's in slow motion. You're bloated, sluggish, and probably a bit cranky. The high fat and sodium make your body hold water, so you feel like a puffed up marshmallow. Your blood sugar's spiking from all the carbs and sugar and leaving you tired after every meal. You're still hooked on the taste, though those dopamine hits from every bite keep you coming back. 1 month in. Now the changes are obvious. Your clothes fit tighter and you don't like how you look in the mirror. Your cholesterol's climbing, with LDL, the bad stuff, creeping up from saturated fats. Energy is so low you skip the gym or anything active at all. Nutrient deficiencies kick in, low vitamin C and potassium weaken your immune system. You start calling in sick more often because you catch every cold. Life already feels smaller. 6 months in. Half a year of this lifestyle, and it's dragging you down hard. You've gained serious weight, sleep like garbage, and mornings feel impossible. Your patience is gone, you argue more with family, feel stressed over little things, and coffee doesn't save you anymore. Food doesn't even bring joy now. It feels like a chore, but you keep eating it anyway. Weight gain could hit 2040 pounds. Your arteries are clogging from trans fats and cholesterol, raising your risk of heart disease. Blood sugar's erratic, flirting with prediabetes as insulin struggles to keep up. 1 year in. 12 months later, and it's not just your body, it's your whole life. You're heavier, weaker, and constantly tired. You are most likely already obese and will soon develop diabetes. Nutrient deficiencies are no joke. Low vitamin D and calcium weaken bones. Worse, the food you once loved now makes you sick just thinking about it, yet you feel trapped in the cycle. 5 years in. Type 2 diabetes is probable, with insulin resistance wrecking your metabolism. Your liver might have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, inching toward failure. Eating this way every day could take decades off your life. As kids, eating McDonald's every day sounded like a dream, but now we all know the price of that stuff. Thanks for sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. See you next time.